Ethereum value equivalent to $3,152.71 a coin. The present exchange cost range $3,028.34, $3,198.43. The earlier day close $3,157.04. The change was 4.33 to 14%. Backwards rate US to ETH. Ethereum conjecture for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $3,603. Excessive cost $44.72, while low cost $3,603. The normal for the month $3,964. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,079. Change for July 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $4,179. Excessive cost $44.47, while low cost $3,865. The normal for the month $4,162. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,156. Change for August 0.6%. Ethereum estimate for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at $4,156. Exorbitant cost $49.77, while low cost $4,156. The normal for the month $44.85. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,651. Change for September 11.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $4,651. Excessive cost $5,621, while low cost $4,651. The normal for the month $5.44. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,253. Change for October 12.9%. Ethereum gauge for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $5,253. Exorbitant cost $6,108, while low cost $5,253. The normal for the month $5,581. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,708. Change for November 8.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $5,708. Excessive cost $6,202, while low cost $5,390. The normal for the month $5,774. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,796. Change for December 1.5%. Ethereum conjecture for January 2025. Before all else, cost at $5,796. Excessive cost $6,377, while low cost $5,543. The normal for the month $5,919. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,960. Change for January 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at $5,960. Exorbitant cost $64.41, while low cost $5,599. The normal for the month $6,005. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $6,020. Change for February 1%. Ethereum figure for Walk 2025. Initially cost at $6,020. Excessive cost $6,646, while low cost $5,776. The normal for the month $6,163. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,211. Change for spring 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else, cost at $6,211. Excessive cost $6,659, while low cost $5,787. The normal for the month $6,220. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $6,223. Change for April's on 2%. Ethereum figure for May 2025. In the first place, cost at $6,223. Exorbitant cost $68.35, while low cost $59.41. The normal for the month $6,347. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $6,388. Change for May 2.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else, cost at $6,388. Excessive cost $7,777, while low cost $6,388. The normal for the month $69.55. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $7,268. Change for June 13.8%. Ethereum gauge for July 2025. In the first place, cost at $7,268. Exorbitant cost $78.66, while low cost $68.36. The normal for the month $7330. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $7351. Change for July 1%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2025. Initially cost at $7,351. Excessive cost $924, while low cost $7,351. The normal for the month $8,088. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $85.27. Change for August 16%. Ethereum gauge for September 2025. To start with cost at $8,527. Exorbitant cost $85.27, while low cost $7,339. The normal for the month $80.71. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $7,891. Change for September 75%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2025. To start with cost at $7,891. Exorbitant cost $78.91, while low cost $61.64. The normal for the month $7.44. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $16.28. Change for October 16%. Ethereum conjecture for November 2025. At the outset cost at $16,628. Excessive cost $8,226, while low cost $16,628. The normal for the month $72.93. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $17,688. Change for November 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. To start with cost at $7,688. Exorbitant cost $7,688, while low cost $6,112. The normal for the month $7,015. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $6,572. Change for December 5%. Ethereum figure for January 2026. Initially cost at $6,572. Exorbitant cost $6,572, while low cost $5,654. The normal for the month $6,220. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $6,080. Change for January 5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at $6,080. Excessive cost $7,547, while low cost $6,080. The normal for the month $16,690. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $7,053. Change for February 16%. Ethereum conjecture for Walk 2026. Before all else cost at $7,053. Exorbitant cost $7,053, while low cost $5,510. The normal for the month $6,385. Ethereum